bottle, it's Nicki full throttle, it's all. Swimming in the grotto, we winning in the lotto, we dipping in the pot of blue flow. Getting so good, it's dripping, I don't would get a ride in the engine that could go. Batman robbing it, bang bang cocking it, Queen Nicki dominant, prominent. It's me, Jesse and Ari. If they test me, they sorry. Riders up like a Harley, then pull off in this Ferrari. If he hanging, we banging. Phone ringing, he slanging. It ain't karaoke night, but get the mic 'cause I'm singing. B to the A, to the N to the G, to the B to the A, to the N to the G, to the hey. You need a bag up on your mind, your mind. Bang, bang, into the room. I know you want it. Bang, bang, all over you. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, yeah, bang, bang, there goes your heart. I know you want it. Bang, bang, see you look hard. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, say it.
Gotta change my answering machine now that I'm alone. 'Cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone. And I know it makes no sense since you walked out the door, but it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous. It's been months and for some reason I just give you up. And I'm stronger than this. Enough is enough. No more walking around with my head down. I'm so tired of being blue, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the radio? Gotta fix that calendar I have. It's marked July 15th. Because since there's no more you, there's no more anniversary. I'm so fed up with my thoughts of you and your memory. Now every song reminds me of what it used to be. That's the reason I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing she was still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the radio? Why can't I turn off the radio? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Stupid love songs. No, don't make me think about her smile or having our first child. I'm letting go, turning off the radio, 'cause I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we ask you to please occupy the seats in front? Okay po. Mga tugang, panunta po muna yung mga nasa inutan na tukawan para po matawan taning space mo itong mga masunod pong maarabot pa. Thank you very much po. Sige pa po mga ma'am. Sir, meron pa pong mga upuan dito sa harap. Yeah. Thank you very much. And ladies and gentlemen, We hope you're all seated well. The program is about to begin in a short while.
So again, saan? Dyan na. ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Thank you. You may now be seated. And ladies and gentlemen, the man who brings smiles to Naga City, the Honorable Mayor John G. Bongat, for a welcome message.
Marayna hapon po sa St. Lucabos. Good afternoon. Vice Mayor Nelson Legacion and wife Attorney Marion, Councilor Buddy Del Castillo, and of course the the Miss Bicolandia Executive Committee headed by Councilor Sani Ranyola, the recruitment head, our First Lady Farah Bongat, and the rest of the members of the Executive Committee. We have Miss Jenny Harris, Attorney Jet Vergara, Mr. Toti Rocha, Mr. Ryan Rentoy, Mr. Mike Pawig, and of course, the ever reliable Dr. Elna Chia, the members of the screening committee, headed by Attorney Waying Manlangit, members of the media, sa gabos po na mga talent scouts, sa gabos pong mga contestants who are vying for this year's 2016 Miss Bicolandia title. Aram taman po baga, Miss Bicolandia is one of the longest running beauty pageants and one of the most prestigious in the entire country, producing world-class beauty. And this year, the theme is Glitz, Glamour, and Glee. Tawan ta po ning sarong dakulang upak ang satuya pong magagayon asin mga talentadong mga Bicolana in this year's Miss Bicolandia 2016. Salamat po.
Well, thank you very much, Honorable Mayor John Bongat. Let's give him another round of applause, everyone. And now here, to set the show into a rousing start, please welcome the MOH Dancers.
gentlemen, in search of the Bicolana, the glitz, glamour and glee, whose life will change forever. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the 23 beautiful and gorgeous women vying to become the official candidates of the Miss Bicolana 2016 beauty pageant. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the 23 applicants of Miss Bicolana 2016. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the 23 applicants to Miss Bicolanja 2016. Starting off with applicant number 1, Juvie Nieva Nasayao. Juvie Nasayao is from Sipocot, Camarines Sur. It is 25 years old and stands 5 feet 7 inches. Applicant number 2 is Samantha Nierva Jornales from Bombon, Camarines Sur. Samantha is 19 years old and stands 5 feet 4.5 inches. Applicant number 3 is Maria Jessica Laurel Buena from San Jose Pili, Camarines Sur. She is 24 years old and stands 5 feet 5.5 inches. Applicant number 4 is Mary Joy Santos Dacudao. She is from Naga City. She's 24 years old and stands 5 feet 8 inches. Applicant number 5 is Rain Ann Enriquez Pipones from Naga City. Rain Ann is 24 years old and stands 5 feet 4.5 inches. Applicant number 6 is Kathleen May Peñaflor Laucinco from Pulangi, Albay. She is 21 years old and is 5 feet 6.5 inches tall. Applicant number 7 is Danica Teresa Sheen Villa from Iriga City. She is 21 years old and stands 5 feet 9.5 inches. Applicant number 8 is Chari Valles Gardoña from Mercedes, Camarines Norte. She is 17 years old and stands 5 feet 4.5 inches. That's our first batch. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause. Now moving on to our next layer. Applicant number 9 is Marie Sherry Ann Tormes from Bula, Camarines Sur. She is 24 years old and is 5 feet 6.5 inches tall. Applicant number 10 is Myrina Hannah Aspe from Magarao, Camarines Sur. She is 21 years old and is 5 feet 6.5 inches tall. Applicant number 11 is Gian Kayla Luyo Salazar from Ginobatan, Albay. She is 23 years old and stands 5 feet 4.5 inches tall. Applicant number 12 is Justin Joy Tasaje from Sorsogon City. She is 17 years old and stands 5 feet 4.5 inches tall. Applicant number 13 is Razel de Sabayla Enesia from Bulan, Sorsogon. She is 22 years old and stands 5 feet 5 inches. Applicant number 14 is Hanaleth de la Cruz Puatu from Camarines Norte. She is 23 years old and stands 5 feet 4 inches tall. Applicant number 15 is Erica Bianca Balse Lasay from Daet, Camarines Norte. She is 21 years old and stands 5 feet 6 inches. Applicant number 16 is Maria Christine Taugan Tolete from Magarao, Camarines Sur. She is 23 years old and stands 5 feet 8 inches tall. Let's give the second batch a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Applicant number 17 is Tricia Georgia Palo Aganan from Naga City. She stands 5 feet 4.5 inches tall and is 18 years old. Applicant number 18 is Janine Crisia Gatasilo from Naga City. She is 24 years old and stands 5 feet 6.5 inches tall. Applicant number 19 is Roxanne Balmes Cabalquinto. She is also from Naga City. She She's 25 years old and stands 5 feet 4.5 inches tall. Applicant number 20 is Mary Joy Nasayaw Jacob from Naga City. She is 22 years old and stands 5 feet 4 inches tall. Applicant number 21 is Rosette Maria Altea Clemente, also from Naga City. She is 25 years old and stands 5 feet 4 inches tall. Applicant number 22 is Monanin Tripulca Abulado from Legazpi City. She is 23 years old and stands 5 feet 5 inches tall. Last but not the least is applicant number 23, Kim Angela Dalde, also from Legazpi City. She's 19 years old and stands 5 feet 6 inches tall. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 23 applicants for Miss Bicolanja 2016. Let's give all of them a round of applause, everyone. Wow, all right, ladies and gentlemen. You've seen our 23 lovely, gorgeous applicants for Miss Bicolanja 2016. And now we're ready to move on to a way hotter segment of this screening program, all right? Am I correct, Director? Okay, wow. Those 23 lovely applicants just made the Avenue tent the hottest place on the planet. And that just made me the luckiest man on this side of the planet. And so since we've come a long way from introducing our lovely applicants, it's high time that we bring another showcase of the screening as the candidates move in sexy strides and turns in their sexy outfits. So now, ladies and gentlemen, go get back to your own short list of 20 candidates. Sino sa 23 ang mapipili ninyo kaya? Who among them will be part of the 20 official candidates of Miss Bicolanja 2016? Just review them as they showcase their sexy bodies this time. And who knows, your choices just might match those of our judges. Ladies and gentlemen, we bring you back the 23 applicants in their swimsuit parade.
Baby, it's you and me, you see, we can turn the night up. And if you feel the way I feel, we can turn the night up. Give me some of that. Yeah. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Damn, you look so sexy, baby, you impress me. I wanna Give me some of that. I know your body's 7, you know my intentions. I know you can go all night, all night. I just wanna touch you, girl, just let me touch you. I know it's been on your mind. Give me some of that. The way you do it, you got that something, you got that something. So keep it moving, you know I love it, you know I love it. Give me some of that. Walla, walla. From Madrid to Miami, from Miami to the world. Baby, it's you and me, you see, we can turn the light up.
Applicant number 1 is Juvie Nieva Nasayaw, 25 years old, 5 feet 7 inches tall, with vital statistics 31 and a half, 24, 34 and a half.
We can turn the light up. And if you feel the way I feel, we can turn the light up.
Applicant number 2, Samantha Nierva Jornales, 19 years old, measures 34, 29, 35.
Give me some of that.
Applicant number 3, Maria Jessica Laurel Buena, 24 years old, measures 33, 27, 32 and a half.
Give me some of that.
Applicant number 4, Mary Joy Santos Dacudao, 24 years old, measures 35, 27 and a half, 38.
Give me some of that. Give me some of that.
And now, ladies, it's time for the traditional quarter turn. Ladies on stage, may I ask you to please put your feet together and your hands on your side. Please face the judges. Ready for your quarter turn to your right now.
Give me some of that.
Another quarter turn now.
Give me some of that.
Again, quarter turn to your right now. And another quarter turn to your right now. Now please return to your poses, ladies. Thank you very much, ladies. Applicants numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thank you very much. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes our next set of applicants, ladies and gentlemen.
Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Give me some of that.
And applicant number 5 is Rain Ann Enriquez Tipones. 24 years old and measures 32, 23 and a half, 34. Applicant number 6, Kathleen May Peña Flor Laucinco, 21 years old, measures 33, 26, 34. Applicant number 7, Kanika Teresa Sheen Villa, 21 years old, measures 31, 26, 32. Applicant number 8, Shari Valles Gardoña, 17 years old, measures 32 and a half, 25 and a half, 33 and a half. And now for your quarter turns, ladies. Please put your feet together and your hands to your sides. And give us a quarter turn to your right now. Another quarter turn to your right now. And may I ask you ladies to please pull your hair to your front. Another quarter turn to your right now. And now, another quarter turn please. Please face front and go back to your poses. Thank you very much, ladies. Once again, our second four. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause.
We can turn the night up. And if you feel the way I feel, we can turn the night up.
And we've got more. Applicants 9, 10, 11, and 12 joining us on stage.
Give some of that. Girl, your body's 7. You know my intentions. I know you can go all night. I just wanna touch you. Girl, just let me touch you. I know it's been on your mind. Give some of that. The way you do it, you got that something. You got that something. So keep it moving. You know I love it. You know I love it. Give some of that. Voila, voila. From Madrid to Miami, from Miami to the world. Baby, it's you and me. You see, we can turn the light up. And if you feel the way I feel, we can turn the night up. Baby, it's you and me. You see, we can turn the night up. And if you feel the way I feel, we can turn the night up.
And applicant number 9 is Marie Sherry Ann Tormes. 24 years old and measuring that 31, 23 and a half, 24. Applicant number 10 is Myrina Hannah Aspe, 21 years old and measures at 34 and a half, 25, 37.
Give some of that.
Applicant number 11 is Gian Kayla Realuyo Salazar. 23 years old,
Some of that.
measures at 33, 26, 40. Applicant number 12, Justine Joy Casaje, 17 years old, and measures at 30, 24 and a half, 32. All right, ladies, ready for your quarter turns? Please put your feet together, your hands to your side, and face the judges. Again, ladies, please put your feet together and your hands to your side.
Give me some of that.
Please give us a quarter turn to your right now. Another quarter turn to your right now.
Give me some of that.
And may I ask you, ladies, to please pull your hair to your front. Pakihawi po ng buhok. Show us your shoulders. And give us another quarter turn to your right now.
Give me some of that.
And one last quarter turn to your right now and face the judges. Back to your poses, ladies. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause. That's applicants numbers 9, 10, 11, and 12. Thank you very much, ladies. And here we have another 4 applicants, 13, 14, 15, and 16.
Give me some of that. 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 Give me some of that.
Applicant number 13 is Razel Desabaila Henetia. 22 years old and measures 32, 26, 36.
Give me some of that.
Applicant number 14 is Hanalet de la Cruz Buatu. 23 years old,
Give me some of that.
31, 24, 35.
I wanna get nasty. Nasty. Girl, you got the bomb bomb. Take a shot, you want one. Mama, I can change your life. Give me some of that. The way you do it.
Applicant 15, Erica Bianca Balse Lasay. 21 years old,
So keep it
34, 26, 36.
turn the night up. And if you feel the way I feel, we can turn the night up.
Applicant 16, Maria Christine Taugan Tolete. 23 years old, 33, 27, 39.
I know you can go all night. I just wanna touch you, girl, just let me touch you. I know what's been on your mind. Give me some of that. The way you do it, you got that something. You got that something.
Okay, ladies, ready for your quarter turns? Please put your feet together. Face the judges and your hands to your sides, please. Please give us a quarter turn to your right now. Another quarter turn to your right now. May I ask you to please pull your hair to the front? Thank you. Please show off your shoulders. And give us another quarter turn to your right now. And one last turn to your right now. Please face the judges. And go back to your poses. And let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Applicants 13, 14, 15, and 16. And we now join the rest of the group as we welcome our next set of applicants in their swimwear.
Give me some of that. 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 Give me some of that.
Now we have applicant number 17, Tricia Georgia Palo Aganan, 18 years old, and measures at 30, 24 and a half, 35.
Give me some of that.
Applicant number 18 is Janine Tricia Formaran, 24 years old, and measures 31, 25, 33. Applicant number 19, Roxanne Balmes Cabalpinto, 25 years old, measures 34, 26, 35.
Give me some of that.
Number 20 is Mary Joy Nasayaw Jacob, 22 years old, 32, 24, 33.
Give me some of that.
Now, ladies on stage, traditional quarter turns. Please put your feet together. Please face the judges. Your hands to your side. And give us a quarter turn to your right now. Another quarter turn to your right now. Please pull your hair to the front. Show off your shoulders. And give us another quarter turn to your right now.
Give me some of that.
And another quarter turn to your right now.
Give me some of that.
And back to your poses. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give them a round of applause. Applicants number 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you very much. You may now join the other ladies. And we give you our last group. Remaining 3 vying to be among the 20 official candidates of Miss Bicolanja 2016.
Some of that. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Damn, you look so sexy. Baby, you impress me. I wanna get nasty. Nasty. Girl, you got the bum bum. Take a shot, you want one. Mama, I can change your life. Give me some of that. The way you do it, you got that something. You got that something. So keep it moving. You know I love it. You know I love it. Baby, it's you and me. You see, we can turn the night up. And if you feel the way I feel, we can turn the night up. Give me some of that. Yeah. Give me some of that.
We have applicant number 21, Rosette Marie Altea Clemente, 25 years old and measures at 32, 24, 36.
I know it's been on your mind. Give me some of that. The way you do it, you got that something. You got that something. So keep it moving. You know I love it.
Number 22, Monalyn Tripulca Abulado, 23 years old, 33, 26 and a half, 34.
From Madrid to Miami, from Miami to the world. Baby, it's you and me. You see, we can turn the light up. And if you feel the way
Applicant 23, Kim Angela Dalde, 19 years old, 33, 25, 34.
And if you feel the way I feel, we can turn the night up.
And once again, ladies on stage, please give us your traditional quarter turns. Put your feet together. Please face the judges, hands to your side. And give us a quarter turn to your right now.
Give me some of that.
Another quarter turn to your right now. please pull your hair to the front. And give us another quarter turn to your right now.
Give me some of that.
And another quarter turn to your right now. You may now go back to your poses. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our final 3 of the 23 applicants for Miss Bicolanja 2016. Let's give them a warm round of applause. And let's call back all of them, all 23 applicants for Miss Bicolanja 2016. All of them lovely, gorgeous, beautiful women, all Bicolanas.
Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Give me some of that.
All right, may we ask the judges to please finalize your scores for our 23 applicants.
Give me some of that.
I wonder if the crowd has changed their favorites. Ano kaya? Who among them will be part of the 20 official candidates for Miss Bicolanja 2016? It's up to the 8 judges that we have here with us today. All right, ladies. You can now ask the ladies to please go backstage and wait for your turn. All ladies except applicant number 1. Applicant number 1, please. Huwag mo muna akong iwan. Dito ka lang. Okay. And now we're moving on to the other part of our screening program, where I, as luckiest man on this side of the planet, the envy of all mankind, would get the chance to talk to each of the 23 applicants.
Give me some of that.
Okay, please, Juvie, I'll join you. Okay, hi, Juvie.
Hello po. Ay,
Oh yeah, that's turned on. Sige. Check. Hi, Juvie. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay po. Would you like to tell them kung kamusta ka naman
I'm feeling nervous po.
Oh, you're very nervous. Oh, it's okay. I get the same feeling when I'm next to someone as hot as me. Okay. Now, you told us earlier that you already are a registered criminologist. Okay. Registered criminologist. Warning signs. And that your dream is to become a policewoman. Tama? Okay. Alright. Tayo ulit. Delikado. Now, okay, tell us something about your inspiration in achieving your dream. Ano bang, what inspired you to become a policewoman?
Hello. I just want to become policewoman because I just want in my mind, in my heart, I just want to serve and protect our country with courage and kindness. That would be all. Thank you.
All right, very well said. applicant number 1. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, that's applicant number 1. It's Juvie. Nasai, let's give her a round of applause. Thank you, Juvie. Ayan, mukhang nervous si Juvie. Anyway, now, see, this is among my favorite parts here. Diba? Me in front of you, sexy woman in swimsuit coming towards me. Diba? Once in a lifetime experience. Applicant number 2, ladies and gentlemen, let's give her a round of applause. This is Samantha Hornales. Hi, Samantha.
Hi.
Hello, ayan, adjust natin yung microphone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon sa'yo, Iha. Sige, sir daw ako. Well, you shared to us a while ago naman that you want to join the Miss Bicolandia beauty pageant to explore yourself and gain more confidence and self-trust, okay? In what ways can your Miss Bicolandia experience, your experience here in Miss Bicolandia, in what ways can that boost your self-confidence and discover more about yourself?
Thank you, sir. Well, I believe that joining in beauty pageants, not only Miss Bicolandia, you are urged to embody yourself as a beauty queen. Before winning the crown or before even joining the screening, you have to embody yourself first that you are the queen. And in that way, you will be confident of yourself. You will have no doubts. You will have no insecurities. You are the queen, if that's your way. Thank you.
Wow, all right. I feel inspired and confident already. Thank you very much. Applicant number 2, Samantha Hornales. I will remember that every morning. I am a queen. Yung recite ko in front of the mirror. And we have applicant number 3. Applicant number, ayan, are you ready for me? I mean, are you ready for us? Sorry. Applicant number 3 is Maria Jessica Buena, ladies and gentlemen. Hello?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Okay, let's give her a round of applause. Ayan. Now, since you've made mention that every woman is uniquely beautiful, inside and out, what is that unique feature that you have that sets you apart from other applicants?
Well, for me, my unique features that I have is having a good heart that I can show to each of in my family, and not only to them, but to all the people around me. That would be all. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Number 3 is Jessica Buena. And we have applicant number 4, Mary Joy Dakudao.
Hi, good
Alright.
afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, Mary Joy. Tangkad Mary Joy, okay. Well, you said that one of your goals in joining Miss Bicolandia 2016 is to become an inspiration to the youth. In general, how can you say that a person is truly an inspiration to others?
Well, in my case, basically, giving up is definitely not in my vocabulary. So I am here to prove that I'm capable of everything. I'm capable of inspiring, influencing, empowering everyone, that you can do much better. You can offer more. I can do much better what I did last year. So at the same time, capable of inspiring others to be a goodwill ambassador and also to promote tourism in Naga, which is the significance of this beauty pageant. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Mary Joy Dakudao. That's very well said. And we have here with us applicant number 5, Rain Antipones. Whoa! Rain seems to be a crowd favorite. All right, Rain.
Yes, sir.
Hello, good afternoon. So you told us that you have joined a lot of beauty pageants and bikini competitions. With your experience in joining pageants, what is your most treasured learning so far?
Well, the biggest beauty pageant or bikini open that I joined is Miss Bikini Philippines 2015. And I've learned a lot of that pageant because competing is just a friendly game. You should bear in mind that winning or losing is not the end of the world. You should learn from your mistakes. That will be all. Thank you.
Wow, okay, Rain. Applicant number 5, Rain Antipones, everyone.
Give me some of that.
And we have applicant number 6, Kathleen May Lausingo.
Hi, sir.
Hello, good afternoon. I just not that. Okay. This might be your second time being one of the official candidates of Miss Bicolanja. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and in your first time, you landed 4th, runner-up. Okay. And you also told us that being Miss Bicolanja is truly one of your dreams. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, what particular attitude or characteristic do you think a Miss Bicolanja should possess?
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Yes, it's true that it's my second time joining Miss Bicolanja. The first one is I landed 4th runner-up last 2013. Way back then, I told myself that if there's something lacking in me, why I did not get the crown, I will work hard for that. So if there's one characteristic in me that I can be proud of, that I think should be one of the traits of Miss Bicolanja, is I'm a fighter. I never ever give up on my dream. And of course, I always believe that there's one great man above that will help me no matter what. And I always believe, I'm a girl who always believe that even in cracks, plants can still grow. Thank you.
All right, wow, that was very well said. All right, applicant number 6, Kathleen May Lausingo. Applicant number 7 here is Danica Teresa Sheen Dilla. Hello there.
Hi, sir.
Quite tall, okay. Well, you said that joining Miss Bicolanja Beauty Pageant would be your stepping stone for national titles. And hopefully, the Miss Universe title.
Yeah.
Wow. Now, what do you think are the values of a Bicolana woman that would definitely stand out in national competitions?
We all know that we Bicolanas are known to be Aragon. And I think that is our edge among others because we always persevere and we always continues to strive for whatever dreams we have. So right now, I am here in front of you all. I'm reaching my dreams. So hopefully, I will be able to be part of this pageant and hopefully win the crown. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, Danica Teresa Sheen Dilla. Thank you. All right, I believe the judges are going to have a hard time searching for our 20 official candidates. And we have here, joining me on stage is number 8, Chari Gardonia. Hi, Chari, how are you?
I'm okay, I'm fine.
All right, that's great. Now, can you tell us something about this statement? Happiness is a choice. Can you tell us something about that?
Happiness is a choice because in life we have many struggles that we face. Then it is our option if we will choose happiness because we all know that problem is smaller than God. And happiness is an option given to us, and it is a happiness is given to us as an option because as a person, a life is naturally made with many struggles. So just always be happy, spread happiness to other people, and make our world happy. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. All right, that was number 8, Chari Gardonia. Ready to spread more happiness and to make the world a happier place. Hello?
Hello, good afternoon.
All right, we have here joining me on stage is applicant number 9, Marie Sherry Ann Torres.
Tormes. That's actually Tormes.
Sorry, Tormes.
Yes.
All right, thank you for correcting me there. Is this your first time to join a beauty pageant?
No, this is actually my third time joining Miss Bicolanja 2006. This is my third time joining the pageant.
Third time, okay. Now, what do you think should be the first step in achieving one's goal in life?
Good afternoon, everyone. I think the very first thing that you have to do is believe in yourself, because that is the first stepping stone on the success that you would wanted to have in your life. Because nobody will ever believe in yourself but you. Actually, you are the one making the steps and the plans you're going to work out towards your goal. So I think if ever that you already believe on whatever goals you would wanted, I think you could able to achieve that, because you already have that kind of self-esteem and no one could ever get that away from you. Thank you so much.
Oh, wow, okay. Well, thank you very much. Marie Sherry Ann Tormes. And applicant number 10, Mayrina Hannah Aspe. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
All right, now what do you think is the most important responsibility of being crowned as Miss Bicolanja?
For me, the most important role of being crowned as the Miss Bicolanja is being an epitome of a Christ-like young woman, just like as our Ina Peña Francia, and have that convincing aura of beauty that could influence other women around the Bicolanja and among the country as well. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, Mayrina Hannah Aspe. Applicant number 10. And joining me on stage is applicant number 11, Gian Kayla Salazar. Hello.
Good evening.
Oh, good evening there. Okay, Gian, Kayla, aside from your family and education, what do you value most?
I value memories because we only live once and I want to live in the moment, and that's why every memories that I have with my family, I treasure them. Thank you.
Valuing memories. Thank you very much, Gian Kayla Salazar. Let's give her a round of applause. And applicant number 12 is Justine Joy Casaje. Hi there. Hello?
Hi.
Okay. Good afternoon sa iyo.
Good afternoon.
Okay, Justine Joy, right? Here's your question. What are the values of a Bicolana woman that you want to preserve?
Para sa akin, gusto ko ipakita na ang pagiging Bicolana hindi lang sa maganda, hindi lang sa panlabas na nyo, porket maganda ka, sexy ka. Siyempre po, pinapakita rin dito ang kagandahan ng ugali at ang laman ng puso po. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, thank you very much. Justine Joy Casaje. Hindi lang po kagandahan, pati kagandahan ng loob. Applicant number 13, Razel Henetia. All right, good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Now here's your question. If there will be tourists coming to the Philippines and you will be their tour guide, in what particular place in your hometown will you bring them and why?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. If there will be tourists, I will put him or guide him to wherever place he pleases to see. Because I believe that if the person wants to know the culture of the person, he or she should see not only the beautiful places, but also the not so beautiful ones. In that way, as a Filipina, as a Bicolana, as a Bulanenya, we will be more respected, we will be more valued, we will be more accepted. That would be all. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much. Razel Janetia. And number 14. Hello there. Okay, this is applicant number 14, Hanaleth Puwatu. Right, Hanaleth, this is your question. What do you think a person fails in achieving a certain goal in life?
For me, a person fails because of nawawala ng pag-asa sa at tiwala sa sarili. Dahil doon, nagkakaroon ng less growth and self-esteem for themselves.
All right. Okay. Well, thank you very much. Annaleth? Number 15, Erica Bianca Lasay. Well, good afternoon, Erica. So at your age right now, Erica, this is your question, huh? At your age right now, what can you consider as your greatest achievement?
Well, my greatest achievement so far is that I was able to touch the lives of other women through my exposures to different pageants. Because I become a role model to everyone, especially by the youth, and of course, I become an inspiration of hope to those who are marginalized. That will be all. Thank you.
Wow, okay. Thank you very much, Erica Bianca Lasay. Applicant number 16 is Maria Christine Tolete. Hello, good afternoon. Okay. Here's your question. What if you were not created as a human? What part of the earth do you think you are now? Wow. What if you were not created as a human? What part of the earth do you think you are now?
Thank you. Maybe if I am not created as a human for now, maybe God created me as a tree, because tree is a very important thing in this world, because if there's no tree, the floods, and if there's a typhoon, there's no people saves in this world. Thank you.
All right. Maria Christine Tolete, number 16, believes that she might be a tree kung hindi siya tao. Okay, number 17, Tricia Georgia Aganan. Correct? Now here's your question. How can a person be truly happy?
I guess a person could be truly happy if she is confident and she surrounds herself with the people she is most comfortable around. Also, if she always pray to God and ask for God's guidance, then she will be truly happy. That is all. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, Tricia. Said it well. Applicant number 18 is Janine Trisha Formaran.
Good
Hello.
afternoon,
Yeah,
everyone.
good afternoon. Right now, Janine, here's your question. If you would be given a chance to choose from being emotionally stable or financially stable, what will you choose?
Well, I will choose being an emotionally stable because that's what makes you who you are. And being an emotionally stable is you share your true beauty that can make the world more happier, and your true beauty that you can share the blessings that you have, and by these blessings it's a powerful weapon to be useful into the society. Thank you.
Oh, okay, very well said there. Okay, applicant number 18, Janine Trisha Formaran. She would rather be emotionally stable than financially stable. Number 19, Roxanne Cabalquinto. Hello. Well, good afternoon, Roxanne.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Okay, now here's your question. If you get a chance to travel to the past with your smartphone, what or who will you take a selfie with and why?
If I would be given a chance to travel to a smartphone, I would go to take selfie with Jesus Christ. Because I always keep God center in whatever I am right now. I want to have faith. I want to give thanks to Him. Because I always believe that if we keep God center in all our plans, we will surely succeed in life. Thank you.
Very well said there. That was applicant number 19, Roxanne Cabalquinto, would like to take a selfie with Jesus Christ? Actually, so do I. That's quite a good question. Huh? Now, applicant number 20, Mary Joy Jacob. Hello there.
Hello.
Okay, Mary Joy, here's your question. If you will be stuck in an elevator and you have the chance to choose a person to be with in that elevator, who would that be and why?
If I will be stuck in an elevator, I would choose God to be with me because He is the one who is our Savior, and whatever we do, if we put our trust in Him, we will be saved. Thank you.
Okay, Mary Joy Jacob. Thank you very much. Wow. She wants to be stuck in an elevator with God. Applicant number 21, Rosette Marie Clemente. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Here's your question. If you will be bitten by a zombie and you only have 3 hours, before you turn into one of them, how will you spend your last hours?
All right, so if I will be bitten by a zombie and I only have 3 hours before I become a zombie myself, I would spend these 3 hours to tell my loved ones, especially my family, how I love them so much. Because once I become a zombie, I would get rid of the emotions of the love, and probably I will not get the chance to tell them how much I love them and how much I appreciate them. So I would spend the 3 hours letting them know how much I really do love them. Thank you.
Wow, all right. Thank you very much. That's applicant number 21, Rosette Marie Clemente. Hello there, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Applicant number 22 is Monaline Abaluado. Okay. And now here's your question. If you will be God for a day, what will be the first thing that you will change about you? Yes.
Okay, thank you very much for that question. Good afternoon, everyone. Now, this may sound cliche, but of course, I wouldn't change anything about myself because I am happy and contented of what I am now. I may have mistakes before and in the past, but those mistakes made me into what I am now. A strong woman, an empowered woman, and a woman who has lived life to its fullest. Thank you very much.
Okay, applicant number 22, Monaline Abaluado. Thank you very much. She's not going to change anything about herself. And now we have applicant number 23, Kim Angela Dalde. Here's your question. If you could only bring one possession with you on an island, what would it be and why? If you could only bring one possession with you, one possession, one item only, to an island, what would it be and why?
If I can only bring one possession in an island and I am alone, I prefer to bring the Bible because being alone and having the Bible with me, I can feel God's presence within me. And so I will conquer every fight that I will face in that island. And I think that I can only survive this life. I mean, not only me, but all of us. We can survive life, and we cannot live life to the fullest without God in our hearts. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Applicant number 23, Kim Angela Dalde. All right, well, ladies and gentlemen, those were our 23 applicants vying to be part of the 20 official candidates for Miss Bicolanja 2016. Thank you very much. Now, I wonder if kayo po may mga favorites po ba kayo sa ating 23 applicants? Can we hear them? Anong number ang dapat makasama sa 20 official candidates natin? Sino? Anong number po? Andayan, may mga sumisigaw na. Alright. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we've gone a long way. We've presented to you the 23 applicants. All of them. Beautiful, gorgeous, sexy. Ano po ba? And quite smart, actually, di ba? Those questions are quite difficult to answer. And now we've come to this point, no? So, first, I'd like to announce the criteria from which our applicants are going to be selected. Now, here is our criteria for judging. Earlier, you've seen them present themselves on stage, trod in their swimwear, and answer questions. Here is our criteria for judging. Beauty of face is 50%, okay? Beauty of face, 50%. Beauty of figure or body proportion, 20%. Poise and personality, 15%. Communication skills and intelligence, 15%, for a total of 100%. Now I would like to take time first to acknowledge our VIPs who graced this event with us this afternoon. It seems to be extending until the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, our city officials. Of course, we have Honorable Tomas Ramon Sanchez Jr. Where are you, sir? Honorable Tomas Sanchez Jr. We also have Honorable Rayan Cedric Rentoy is here with us. Let's give him a round of applause, please, everyone. Atin po mga city officials. Honorable Vidal Castillo. Please stand to be acknowledged, recognized. Honorable Lito Del Rosario is also here with us now. He may have left the building muna. Honorable June Lavadia Jr. Honorable Miles Rakid Arroyo. Honorable Elmer Baldemoro. Honorable Sonny Ranyola, of course. Honorable Greg Abonal. Honorable Nene De Asis. Those are our city councilors. And of course, with us is Honorable Vice Mayor Nelson Legacion. Let's give the Vice Mayor a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And with him is his spouse, Attorney Marion Legacion. Madam, good afternoon. Of course, with us, you've seen him earlier, is Honorable Mayor John Bongat. Mayor, good afternoon. Of course, our First Lady, Ma'am Farah Bongat. Good afternoon to you. But I would also like to acknowledge the members of the 2016 Miss Butulandia Screening Committee. We have with us Dr. Elna Chia. Hi, Doc. Good afternoon po. We have Dr. Vito Borja II. Doc Vito. And we also have Mr. Alexander Cayetano. Mr. Alex Cayetano. Ayun, sir. Good afternoon. And also the members of the 2016 Miss Bicolandia Execom. Sorry we left out someone. I'm very sorry. We also have here with us Honorable Buddy Del Castillo. Apologies, sir. The members po ng 2016 Miss Bicolandia Execom or Executive Committee, they are the people behind Miss Bicolandia. They're the ones who are going to do what? Shed blood, sweat, and tears for Miss Bicolandia. We have Mr. Florencio Tam Mongoso Jr., Mr. June Mongoso, of course, Sir June. Miss Rai Rentoy, Mr. Toti Rocha. Mr. Toti, sir. Mr. Mike Pawig. Miss Ruby Antonio. Ma'am. Miss Malin Aman. Hi, ma'am. Attorney Jet Vergara. Miss Jenny Harris. Good afternoon. Of course, Miss Farah Bongat is also part of Miss Bicolanja Executive Committee. And of course, shall we take this time to call on stage the man of the hour? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to take this time to call on stage the man behind all of this action. He's the one who's leading Miss Bicolanja's Executive Committee. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Honorable Jose Sonny C. Ranyola, a Medical Director and Chairman of the 2016 Miss Bicolanja Executive Committee.
Thank you, Paul. Your Honor, Mayor Jan Bongat and his pretty wife, Farah, Vice Mayor, Your Honor, Vice Mayor Ligacion, and his beautiful wife, Attorney Marion. Of course, my colleague in the City Council, I think I see only one there, Buddy Del Castillo, the group from the Executive Committee, wherein I'm so indebted. We have around 30 candidates who came over. This is because of the recruitment committee headed by the First Lady, Farah Bongat. With her was Attorney Jet Vergara and Jenny Harris. They went all around the Bicol region just to invite participants. 30 came, and yet 7 were disqualified because of height. Indeed, I am extremely happy to be working with these people, especially also with the employees coming from the city government. Well, this is the first leg of our quest for Miss Bicolandia. And may I share with you some of the limelight and some trivia of what will happen during our quest for Miss Bicolandia. If you will see, we have there a crown, and this crown is made by Ren Santos of the Fashion Institute of the Philippines, and it is encrusted with jewels, and that will be given to the Miss Bicolandia. A cash prize of 200,000 for Miss Bicolandia and a trip for 2, either in Singapore or in Hong Kong. All expenses paid for. And this is through the compliments of Euro Air Link. The swimsuit maker, we give free swimsuit during the final pageant. And this is made by Doms Ramos, who work with Binibining Pilipinas. We also gave free shoes, and this was made by Jojo Bragais. Swimsuit competition is Victoria's Secret inspired, and the winner will receive 25,000 pesos donated by the president nominee of the Rotary Club of Naga Kamsur, who is one of the judges, Attorney Jojo Gaite. Will you please stand to be recognized? Salamat po. Arriving with us here during the training are the Jag Origins Beauty Caravan. They are going to have a workshop for personality development and hair makeup styling that will be participated by the candidates with their talent scout and stylist. So, personality development to be given to our candidates. Junis Global, worth of 100,000 pesos, skincare line products. 4 major winners will also be given, and this is donated by one of our member of the executive committee, Mrs. Jenny Harris. Will you please stand? And also with that, they will also receive Skinny Coffee by Sakura, worth 50,000. Talent Scout, to those who are not from Naga and to those who are far, will give you an accommodation, free accommodation, for September 5 and 7. Just let the Secretariat know. To Miss Bicolandia 2016 Beauty Pageant, it will be hosted by no other than the Pilipinas International 214, Bianca Guidote, who has also hosted the Binibining Filipinas 2016 Beauty Pageant. And of course, with Alex Diaz from the Star Magic. And for those parents who are here, thank you for sharing with us the beauty of your children. And rest assured that we will take care of them. They will be billeted in our Civic Center dormitory, of course with matron, and there are securities that will be them. There will be nurses that will be with them during their stay in the dormitory. And anything that will happen to them, we will take charge of them. And they will be fully fed. So I also take this opportunity to thank one member of our executive committee who will host the dinner. We have here Mike Pawig of the, ano na ba yun? Moraville, the Garden. And of course, with Malin Aman of Haciendas Dinaga. Sa Indo po, salamat. And of course, thank you very much to the Board of Judges, headed by no less than the Regional Director of DAR, a former beauty queen herself, Attorney Celestina Manlangit Tam. And to each and every one of you, salamat po. And sa Gabos po, sa Indo Gabos, salamat na maray. Thank you and good afternoon.
Well, thank you very much to Honorable Sonny Ranyola, Chairman of the 2016 Miss Bicolandia Executive Committee. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin uli ang Miss Bicolandia 2016 Executive Committee. This year's Miss Bicolandia, after what Councilor Ranyola has just announced, is now very similar po to Binibining Pilipinas, don't you think? Diba? It's of that caliber. Araw kang sinabi po, kasubago kang sarong kandidata, ang Bicolano, Uragon. Ang Miss Bicolandia 2016, ngunya na taon po, Uragon man. Kaya abangan ta po ang satuyang final pageant night. Alright, well ladies and gentlemen, now, while we're waiting for the tabulators, and I'd like to bring you back to the people who, like you, made some difficult choices. But this time, sa kanila po nakasalalay. Sino sa 23 na applicants ang masasama sa 20 official candidates ng Miss Bicolandia 2016, from whom we will choose a lady whose life will change forever. Now that difficult job was entrusted to our 8 judges. And I would like to introduce them, starting off with Judge number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, Judge number 1 is the head of Planning, Design, and Monitoring Department of Aman Engineering Enterprises. He is also a member of United Architect of the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, Architect Floren Emil Lavandero. Please stand, sir. Our second judge, who is also an avid supporter, is the owner and manager of Lendes Shell Station, Lendes Tourist Inn, and Lendes Poultry Farm. Ladies and gentlemen, Attorney Jose Josero Bigaite, Judge number 2, ladies and gentlemen. Judge number 3 is the Provincial Environmental Management Officer of Camarines Sur of DENR Environmental Management Bureau Region 5. Ladies and gentlemen, judge number 3 is Miss Lilian Ornido. Judge number 4 is the medical director of St. John Hospital of Goa, Camarines Sur. From year 2000 until now, up to now, a practicing OBGYN, OB-GYN in Naga City and Partido area for 28 years. She is an advocate of beauty pageants and herself since her high school days. Ladies and gentlemen, judge number 4, Dr. Maria Teresita Panday. Let's give her a round of applause. Judge number 5 is a member of the Rotary Club of Naga City. She is Director 4 of the Bureau of Agrarian Legal Assistance of the Department of Agrarian Reform Central Office. She is also currently the chairman of the Board of Judges. Ladies and gentlemen, our chairman, Attorney Maria Celestina Manlangit Tam. Next judge is the owner of Chef Norita's Kitchen Creations. She is a food developer and nutritionist. She is a corporate concessionaire specialist. Ladies and gentlemen, our 6th judge, Ms. Norita Martinez Badong. Our judge number 7 is presently working as special assistant to the Senior Protection of Civilians, advisor to the special representative of the Secretary General of the United Nations Mission in South Sudan. Besides being passionate about world peace, he is a certified music lover. Ladies and gentlemen, judge number 7, Mr. Nino Gerardo Lasin. And our final judge, our 8th judge, is the Assistant Vice President of the Beverages Businesses Unit of Nestle Philippines, Mr. Andrew Neri. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang ating 8 judges this afternoon. You've seen our lovely as applicants, how difficult it is to choose from among them. And now, ladies and gentlemen, of course, Miss Bicolanja would not be possible without the support of our sponsors. I'd like to start, of course, with our major sponsors. Thank you very much. I wonder if we have representatives from the following companies. Major sponsors to Miss Bicolanja 2016. Yamaha Motor Philippines, Smart Telecom, Generica Drugs. Those are our major sponsors, Yamaha Motors Philippines, Smart Telecoms, and Generica Drugs. Thank you very much. And our minor sponsors, SM Prime Holdings, Coca-Cola FEMSA, San Miguel Brewery, and Pepsi-Cola Philippines. Our sponsors, Bernabest Show My House, LYRR Realty Development Corporation, developer of Deca Homes, GCI Construction, Ginebra San Miguel, Globe Telecom, Petron Corporation, Philworks Construction, Sutherland Global, Well-Made, the makers of a Speed Bar and Select Soy Sauce, South Star Drug. Those are our sponsors. And also thank you to our donors, Camellia Naga, Comworks of Oppo Mobile and Dream Satellite, Concentrix, Biggs Incorporated, Enjoy Realty, the developer of Haciendas de Naga. And thank you as well to our patrons, Nature Spring, Gasmate Trading, or Petronas, MNWD, Olivan Sea Oil, Pacific Cross Philippines, Naga City, PTC Food Sphere, or Golden Coolers, Viva Home Depot, Naga College Foundation, Graceland, and Eternal Gardens. Thank you very much, our patrons. Also thank you to our official print and media partners, Thank you to Manila Bulletin, IMJ Multimedia. You see, they're providing our live video streaming. IMJ Multimedia, and of course, GNN TV 48 Naga. GNN TV 48. Also, thank you to the food sponsors for Miss Bicolanja 2016. Camarines Sur Chamber of Commerce and Industry. The Avenue Plaza Hotel. Bob Marlin Restaurant. CBD Hotel. Haciendas de Naga. Lily's Buffet. Woodstone Restaurant. Moraville The Garden. Big's Diner. Crown Hotel. Krypton Grill. Villa Caceres Hotel. Graceland. Brent's P Catering. And Caramel Bake Shop. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now, as we await the results of who will be the 20 official candidates for Miss Bicolanja 2016, let's call on back another dance performance from MOH Dancers.
Promise not to let you go. Love you like crazy. Now say you'll never let me go.
Thank you very much. That was the MOH dancers. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, medyo na-curious lang ako, no? Our applicants seem to be coming from all over the Bicol region. I'm sure may mga kasama po sila. From the audience po, pwede ko bang makita sino ho yung mga hindi taga Naga City? Yung mga nasa labas po ng Camarines Sur, Sorsogon, mga taga Sorsogon, taga Albay. Maaari ho ba kayong tumayo? Okay lang po ba? Can you please stand up to be recognized? People from outside Naga City. The people who made this year's Miss Bicolanja 2016 way better than other years. Thank you very much for joining us here in Naga City for making Miss Bicolanja 2016 better. Thank you po. I am sure you've got your fingers crossed for your applicants. Well, we bid you all the best of luck. Thank you. And now, I'd like to announce some of the activities of Miss Bicolanja 2016. After today's closed-door screening and public presentation, the candidate will have a rigorous and hectic schedule considering that they only have barely a few days before the big night. Of course, an orientation follows with this year's pageant and choreography management group that's happening later, as well as with the executive committee of the pageant council. While most of us will take the night's rest, the candidates' first evening together is full. They will have their pictorial sessions for the official poster and other pictorial requirements for the pageant. Then they'll go home just in time to announce the good news to their families, loved ones, and friends for making it to be one of the 20 official candidates of Miss Bicolanja 2016. And they'll be back on September 2 as it will be the starting day of official billeting for all the candidates, and there will begin a more hectic schedule for them. A welcome dinner courtesy of the city government and a sponsor will be tendered for them. It shall also have the Meet the Press with our local press and media groups. A separate but partial swimsuit and evening gown competition will be held on September 5 at Haciendas de Naga in Carolina. Okay, I was just been told the results are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for us to announce the official 20. And so may I call on the chairman, Honorable Sonny Ranyola. Thank you very much. And here, okay, here. Okay, here I have with me the official list, the 20 official candidates, and may I call on stage Honorable Sonny Ranyola, Chairman po. Please join me. And Mayor John, please join me on stage to pin the sash on our... Okay, pin the sash and the official number for the official candidates po. Okay po. Mayor, Councilor Sonny. Tayo sa gitna. Alright, I'll take a step to the side. And now, I'm going to start off with our first official candidate. Joining the official 20, our number 1 is Roxette Marie Clemente from Naga City. also call on stage Vice Mayor Nelson Legacion and Councilor Buddy Del Castillo. Also, Councilor Nene de Asis, may we call you on stage po. Joining the 20 official candidates, we're going further south. Gian Kayla Salazar. Gian Kayla Salazar is from the University of Perpetual Health, majoring in AB Psychology in college, and is currently a Doctor of Medicine student. She loves traveling and discovering diverse cultures. Once again, official candidate number 2, Gian Kayla Salazar from Ginubatan, Albat. Now moving on to official candidate number 3. You got to thank your lucky stars, Maria Christine Tolete from Magarao, Camarines Sur. Our official candidate number 3 is a student of Ateneo de Naga University. She loves cooking and playing badminton and wishes to join the Miss Bicolanja beauty pageant to conquer her stage fright and improve her confidence. Official candidate number 3 is Maria Christine Tolete from Magarao, Camarines Sur. Our official candidate number 4, joining the official 20, is Hanaleth Huatu from Daet, Camarines Norte. Hanaleth is from La Consolacion College, majored in a Bachelor of Science in Nursing. She loves playing volleyball and badminton and wants to join the Miss Bicolanja pageant to showcase her talents. Official candidate number 4 is Hanaleth Tuatu Daet, Camarines Norte. You've got to thank your lucky stars because you're joining them on stage. Joining the official 20 as official candidate number 5 is Samantha Hornales from Bombon, Camarines Sur. Samantha is a student of Mariners Polytechnic Colleges of Naga City. She is into writing and singing and is very active in school activities as she facilitates orientation seminars and organizations fairs. Our official candidate number 5, Samantha Hornales from Bombon, Camarines Sur. Our next official candidate number 6, we're going back to Naga City. You can text your loved ones later because you're part of the official 20. Rain Antipones, you are official candidate number 6. Rain graduated from the University of Nueva Cáceres, is good at singing, and has joined a lot of beauty pageants. Being crowned as Miss Bicolanja is both her and her mother's dream. Official candidate number 6, Rain Antipones. Alright, next, your prayers have been answered. You are official candidate number 7, Marie Sherry Ann Tormes from Nabua, Camarines Sur. She studied from Polytechnic University of the Philippines, majored in tourism management, loves reading things about royal monarchy, and admires Princess Diana. Official candidate number 7, Marie Sherry Ann Tormes from Nabua, Camarines Sur. Your turn to join us here now. Official candidate number 8, Tricia Georgia Aganan from Naga City. Tricia is from Ateneo de Naga University, likes baking and playing online games. She wishes to join Miss Bicolanja pageant to showcase and promote the place she represents. Next, official candidate number 9, you will be taking group fees with the official 20, and you are Azel Enetia from Bulan Sorsogon. Lazel is from SSCBC, majored in elementary education and currently enrolled for a master's degree in education. She simply wants to be an inspiration for others and likes playing the guitar. And now, official candidate number 10, Shari Gardonia from Pulangi, Albay. Shari studied in La Consolacion College, loves baking, singing, and dancing, and wants to join the Miss Bicolanja pageant to discover more about herself and develop self-confidence. Official candidate number 10, Shari Gardonia from Pulangi, Albay. Our official candidate number 11. You can shake off your nerves now. Official candidate number 11, Roxanne Cabalquinto from Naga City. Roxanne studied in University of Nueva Cáceres, wants to join Miss Bicolanja pageant to bring out the best in her and to be a true inspiration to others. She loves singing and is also very good in dancing. Official candidate number 11, Roxanne Cabalquinto from Naga City. And our official candidate number 12. Again, we're moving further south. From outside Naga City. Official candidate number 12 is Monalyn Abaluado from Legazpi City. She studied in Bicol University, majored in elementary education, and she is joining Miss Bicolanja pageant because she believes this will complete her journey as a Bicolana beauty. Her friends call her Mona Versatile because she is working as a teacher, model, host, and an athlete. Official candidate number 12, Monalyn Abaluado of Legazpi City. Our next official candidate is also from outside Naga City. From Sipocot, Camarines Sur, Juvie Nieva Nasayaw. Join us here. Our Official candidate number 13, Juvie Nieva Nasayaw from Sipocot, Camarines Sur. A graduate from Philippine College of Criminology. A registered criminologist. Also a freelance talent in varied TV networks, and her ultimate dream is to become a police woman. That's what you call PNP. Pretty na police. Official candidate 13, Juvie Nieva Nasayaw from Sipocot, Camarines Sur. And now, calling someone from Legazpi City as official candidate number 14, Kim Angela Dalde. She studied from Divine World College of Legazpi. Very passionate in modeling and makeup styling. She's joining Miss Bicolanja pageant because she believes this can enhance her skills and make her parents even more proud of her. She also wants to discover more about herself by joining pageant. Official candidate number 14, Kim Angela Dalde of Legazpi City. Now, we're heading north. From Daet Camarines Norte, you are official candidate number 15, Erica Bianca Lasay. Erica Bianca studied in De La Salle University, Dasmariñas. She loves reading books and she also loves writing. She majored in broadcast journalism in college, and she already has experience covering events and even got an accreditation during the papal visit. Official candidate 15, Erica Bianca Lasay from Daet, Camarines Norte. And now we have only 5 remaining spots left. Will your bets, will your favorites be part of that list? And we call on official candidate number 16, Myrina Hana Aspe from Magarao, Camarines Sur. Studied from Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, is a doctor of veterinary medicine. A student of the doctor of veterinary medicine. She is a proud cowgirl, for she is also into cattle wrestling and horseback riding. Cattle wrestling and horseback riding. Her favorite hobbies, and she wishes to join the Miss Bicolanja pageant to be immersed in community involvement programs and promote their municipality. Official candidate number 16, Myrina Hana Aspe of Magarao, Camarines Sur. And moving on to our official candidate number 17. Coming back home to Naga City, Janine Crisia Formaran. Join us here. You are official candidate number 17. Janine Crisia Formaran studied at Ateneo de Naga University, majored in nursing in college, and she is now a registered nurse. She wants to join Miss Bicolanja to continue her advocacy as a health practitioner and promote wellness. Our official candidate number 17, Janine Crisia Formaran of Naga City. And our official candidate number 18 is from Camarines Sur, but not from Naga City. Candidate number 18 is Kathleen May Laucinco. from Bula, Camarines Sur. Kathleen May loves writing short stories and other forms of literature. She studied in Aquinas University of Legazpi, majored in tourism management in college, and she has been into travel show hosting and Philippine Daily Inquirer online programs. Official candidate number 18, Kathleen May Laucinco from Bula, Camarines Sur. Sorry, that was a typographical error. She is from Polangi Albay, rather. Kathleen May Laucinco. My bad, okay? And official candidate number 18 is from Polangi Albay, Kathleen May Laucinco. And now we've got 2 final spots left. One of those goes to someone from Naga City. Join us here, Mary Joy Dakudao. You are official candidate number 19. She studied in Ateneo de Naga University and she plays tennis to stay fit. She admires to become an ambassadress of goodwill and promote tourism in Naga City. Being an inspiration to the youth is one of her reasons in joining Miss Bicolanja 2016. Official candidate number 19, Mary Joy Dakudao from Naga City. And we now have 1 final spot left. And completing the official 20 candidates. Who is your bet? Will your favorite be part of this? From Iriga City, Camarines Sur, your official candidate number 20, Danica Teresa Sheen Dilla. Danica Teresa Sheen Dilla is from University of St. Anthony. She graduated her course there. She loves playing volleyball and is doing good at swimming. Joining Miss Bicolanja serves as her preparation for vying national pageant titles. That's our final candidate, final official candidate. And she has to put the sash on herself. She's that tall. That completes our official 20 candidates for Miss Bicolanja 2016. Did your favorite make it? I hope so. Okay. We would like to thank the presenters. Of course, Mayor John Bonga, thank you very much. Vice Mayor Legacion, Councilor Nene de Asis, Councilor Buddy Del Castillo, and of course, Councilor Sunny Ranyola. And we'd like to call back on stage your 20 official candidates for Miss Bicolanja 2016. Right, may we call on our friends from the media, please. Feel free to use the front of the stage for your photo opportunity. Here we have them, the official 20 candidates of Miss Bicolanja 2016. Who among them will bring home the crown, the cash prize, this vacation trip? Who among them will be crowned Miss Bicolanja 2016? You will find that out on the main pageant that awaits us all on September 7 at the Naga City's Big Dome, the JMR Coliseum. For now, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank you all for coming over this afternoon until this evening. It's been a wonderful, wonderful evening. Don't forget to join us on September 7 at the JMR Coliseum. And once again, thank you to our sponsors. We'd like to thank our major sponsors, Yamaha Motor Philippines, Smart Telecom, Genetica Drugs, and our minor sponsors, SM Prime Holdings, Coca-Cola FEMSA, San Miguel Brewery, Pepsi-Cola Philippines. And of course, our sponsors as well, Bernabest Show My House, LYRR Realty Development Corporation, the developer of Deca Homes, GCI Construction, Ginebra San Miguel, Globe Telecom, Petron Corporation, Philworks Construction, Sutherland Global, and Well Made, makers of Speed Bar and Select Soy Sauce. And of course, South Star Drug. I'd like to thank our donors, Camellia Naga, Comworks, Concentrix, Biggs, and Joy Realty, the developer of the Haciendas de Naga. And of course, our patrons, Nature Spring, Gasmate Trading or Petronas, MNWD, Olivancy Oil, Pacific Cross, Philippines, Naga City, PTC, Food Sphere, Golden Coolers, Viva Home Depot, Naga College Foundation, Graceland, and Eternal Gardens. And of course, our official print and media partner, Manila Bulletin, IMJ Multimedia, and GNN TV 48 Naga. This has been your host, Paul Dichoso. Thank you very much, everyone. Good evening, good night. Diyos mabalos po sa Indogabos. See you all on September 7 at the JMR Coliseum for the coronation night of Miss Bicolanja 2016. Glitz, glamour, and glee.
Doesn't really mean that I'm into you. Hello, you're alright, but I'm here, darling, to enjoy the bar. You're alright, but I'm darling, to enjoy the bar. You're alright, but I'm here, darling, to enjoy the bar. You're alright, but I'm here, darling, to enjoy the bar. You're alright, I'm darling, to the bar. You're alright, I'm darling, to the bar.
All right, for everybody's information, afterwards we will be having a briefing with the executive committee. Yep. Okay, briefing with Direct Concon. And of course, more pictorials coming later.